Hey, if you guys have too many apps and there's so many notifications always constantly popping down, this is how you can adjust and fine tune your notifications. So first we're going to go to settings. And once you go to settings, we're going to actually scroll down and then you will see notifications right here. Once we get to the notifications menu, you'll see that there's several ways. So sometimes during the lock screen, you can also have notifications. You can keep that. But you can also, this is series notifications. You can keep that on or turn it off. And as we scroll down, we can go to each app and then turn off the notifications manually. And then within that, you can also tell it how you want to receive notifications, banner style, or temporary, or then persistent. And then there's also sounds. We could turn the sounds off and whatnot. So maybe if you have a lot of different apps, you can go through each one. Then you can also, like I said earlier, announce notifications and just turn that off. And then now there will be no notifications. Other than that, yeah, okay guys, so I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting. See you next time. Bye-bye.